You ready to try some food? You ready to try some food? Huh? Can you swallow it? Do you like that? That's food. That's food. That's what the mama and the papa eat. There you go. Move it to the back of your mouth. Swallow it. Does that mean you like it or you don't like it? She's like, I spit it out because I don't know how to swallow. I don't know how to swallow yet. Nom 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 nom. Big girl eating the food. Yeah, big girl. Big girl eating the food. Look at you. Look at you. So good. So good. What do you think? What? Want to try a little more? Good job. Good job, big girl. Good job. It's hard to learn to eat food, huh? Yeah, it looks easy when you see us doing it, but it's a long time to learn. Should we recline her a little bit? Might be easier. She doesn't know